Hello students, good morning. I am N.K. Jha from APS. At first I want to give you information. This information is very important for all of you. So listen to me and mark my point what I want to tell you, because you are reading in class 9. According to a standard of class 9, you will have to maintain all those parts which is provided, and that is provided by the school's management. So it's too necessary, because chapter after chapter, lesson after lesson I am finishing, and you are reading or not, I have no any idea and I have no any information. So I am very sad, and I mean to say, all of a sudden if you will tell me I have not completed my work and I have not understood those lessons which is taught in lockdown, then I will be in problem, and I mean to say you will be in problem. A lot of problem will be raised in front of us, and at that time you will be failed and you will feel a lot of problem, and it is already create in your brain. So don't invite these kinds of problem, and always maintain the part of study, because you will have to read, you will have to explain, you will have to understand the idea, the central theme of the story, and on this central theme, with the central theme, the story is already related and described. So it's very necessary and typical how to maintain and analyze all those parts which is taught by the teachers. Okay, now today we shall start new class, the adventures of Toto, and new topic number 2. This is topic number 2 and taken from your second book, Moments. Okay, so firstly the second chapter, the adventures of Toto, which kind of a story, and who is the author and who writes the adventures of Toto, we have to understand. I mean to say, this one composed by, this one written by author Ruskin Bond. Okay, very popular author he was. Okay, very popular author. So firstly we have to know about the author, Ruskin Bond, and after that we have to describe the adventures of Toto and what does it means. So knowing the facts about the author and in which circumstances he composed it and when he composed the adventures of Toto. So mark my point, listen to me carefully. Ruskin Bond was a famous Indian writer. Is a famous Indian writer in English. He was born on 19th May. He was born on 19th May. He was born on 19th May in 1934. In 1934, his father was with the Royal Air Force. At the age of 10, when he was 10 years old, Ruskin started living with his grandmother in Dehradun. Where Dehradun is situated? Dehradun is situated in India. Now it is situated in Uttarakhand, I mean to say. I am not 100% sure, but you can imagine it is situated in Uttarakhand or not. I am 99% sure Dehradun is situated in Uttarakhand. Okay. After his father's death, he started living with his grandmother. In 1944, he spent 4 years in London, where he started writing his first novel. फर्स्ट नॉवेल। कहाँ पर इन्होंने शुरुआत करी नॉवेल लिखने की? लंदन में, जब वो लंदन में रहा करते थे। व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू लिव लंदन, एट दैट टाइम he began to write his first novel, The Room on the Roof. This was the first novel name. Ruskin is now recognized as a leading writer in English. That means through that novel he became so popular, and he was now recognized as a leading writer in English, particularly known for his short stories, and through that he earned a lot of name and fame in the fields of writing novel, in the fields of the English author, and he was recognized in the sector of English literature. So he was great, I mean to say, and he had a great ability to express his views in English, and a lot of skills he had, and after that he explained it accurately, because he knows very well the condition of India, the situation of India, and in which circumstances the Indians are passing his life. Okay, so how mighty they are, we have to focus on it and have to describe it accurately. Now, according to the lesson, The Adventures of Toto. Here Toto is the name of monkey. So firstly, the red point we have to explain. I have to explain because this is the central idea, this is the central theme of this story, and it gives a lot of information. After reading the information, after knowing the information, we can estimate all around the story, and it is very easy for us to analyze the story of The Adventures of Toto, that is composed by Ruskin Bond. Now, have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? You have to imagine this for you. You have to analyze to keep to the pet as a monkey, and after that you will able to understand very accurately the circumstances which is occurred in front of you or in front of us. After all, we shall able to describe such circumstances, such problems, and some dangers. Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. So you can read here it docile or docile. Let us find out whether he is mischievous. Mischievous means sararti, natkhat. Okay. So all the information is given all around about the Toto, and Toto is one kind of monkey. So let us start the story and how the author Ruskin Bond brought Toto at home, and where he found him we have to understand through a story. So here the character, the story is beginning about grandfather, that means author. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Tanga driver, you know very well, one who drives the horse cart. is known as tanga. It is made up of wood and two wheels containing on it in it and horse pulls that cart is known as tanga driver, but handled by a people, by a person. Okay, handled by a person. So he bought Toto from tanga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. That means what was the price he paid for the Toto? For Toto, only 5 rupees. Very, very important things. 5 rupees is not little amount for that time. Very, very big amount. Okay. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding tub through, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. The tanga driver used to keep the little red monkey. Tanga driver wants to keep the little red monkey tied to feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. उसने मंकी को जो है सो बांध करके रखा हुआ था और ऐसे जगह पर बांध रखा था जहाँ से मंकी आराम से जो है सो झांक झुक सके, देख सके. To see the circumstances and to see the situation of monkey, the grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. That means we have to purchase the Toto from tanga driver, and he would, that means I would add the little fellow, that means add the Toto to his private zoo. मतलब उसका जो जू था रस्किन बॉन्ड का, नरेटर का, अथर का, उस जू में इस टोटो को वह रखना चाहता था. दैट वॉज द थॉट ऑफ द अथर नरेटर. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep-set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were purely white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years, yet his fingers were quick and wigged, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up and delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. Now here the description of the pretty monkey Toto. He was very, very pretty, that means handsome, beautiful, nice. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. उसके जो चमकीले आँख थे, ब्राइट मीन्स चमकीले, sparkled मीन्स चमक रहे थे. विद मिस्चीफ मतलब उसके आँख से ऐसा प्रतीत होता था कि टोटो जो है सो बहुत ही नटखट है. बीनीथ डीप सेट आईब्रोज एंड हिज टीथ, और उसके जो दांत थे विच वेयर अ प्योरली वाइट. कैसा महसूस हो रहा था कि प्योरली वाइट थे. वेयर वेरी ऑफन डिस्प्लेड इन अ स्माइल दैट फ्राइटेंड द लाइफ आउट ऑफ एल्डरली एंग्लो इंडियन लेडीज. वह जब हंसता था, मंकी जब हंसता था, टोटो जब हंसता था, तो उसके हंसी से जो है सो एंग्लो इंडियन लेडीज जो थी, जो बड़ी थी, वह बिल्कुल क्या होती थी, डर जाती थी, भयभीत हो जाती थी. इमेजिन दैट बिकॉज मंकी हैज सेंस. आई एम एग्री विद दैट. But some monkeys are very, very mischievous, very, very naughty, and they will harm you, and they will create a lot of challenge in front of you that you have not imagined as yet. So it's very, very necessary and difficult task have to follow the behavior of animals, behavior of monkeys, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies, but his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. उनके हाथ जो है सो बिल्कुल सूखे सूखे महसूस होते हैं. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail while adding to his good looks. उनके टेल जो है सो अच्छी दिख रहे हैं. ग्रैंडफादर बिलीव्ड करते हैं ऐसा. ग्रैंडफादर बिलीव्ड अ टेल वुड ऐड टू एनीवन्स गुड लुक्स. जिस तरह से मनुष्य है, मनुष्य के सर का बाल हटा दिया जाए तो देखने में कुछ अजीब सा नहीं महसूस होता है, साकाल की तरह नज़र आता है. तो ये सब कुछ क्या है जो गॉड ने क्यों प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है कि आप ब्यूटीफुल हैंडसम दिखोगे. इसलिए आप इसको मैदान सफा से चट करवा दिए तो बिल्कुल ही गड़बड़ दिखेगा, लगेगा कोई आ गया. लेकिन अगर आप सपोज करो कि ये ऑर्नामेंट हैं, लाइक एडजेक्टिव और एडवर्ब की तरह ये ऑर्नामेंट है, तो आपके अगर मान लीजिए हेयर हैं और आप उसको क्या करते हो, कॉम्ब करते हो, तो आप रियली लुकिंग स्मार्ट, रियली लुकिंग हैंडसम. लाइक दिस मंकी के टेल से उनकी सुंदरता जो है सो दिखती है. अगर उनके टेल ही नहीं हो तो सुंदर दिखेंगे? नहीं दिखेंगे. सो दैट्स द थॉट ऑफ रस्किन बॉन्ड, दैट्स द थॉट ऑफ ग्रैंडफादर. Also served as a third hand, he could use it to hang from a branch. तीसरा जो उनका हाथ है वो हाथ जो है सो टोटो को किस चीज़ में मदद करता था? ब्रांच पर झूलने में, एक ब्रांच से दूसरे ब्रांच के ऊपर जो है सो पहुंचने में. एंड इट वाज कैपेबल टू स्कूपिंग अप एंड डेलिकेसी दैट माइट बी आउट ऑफ रीच ऑफ हिज हैंड. बंदर को आपने देखा होगा एक डाल से दूसरे डाल को पकड़ते हुए, और वो भी बहुत ही स्पीड में. तो कितना फुर्ती होता है, हाउ मच एक्टिव दे आर. इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू एंड हैव टू लर्न दिस पर्टिकुलर बिहेव फॉर योर गुडनेस, बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प यू मोर एंड मोर, बिकॉज स्टडी इज वेरी वेरी हार्ड थिंग्स एंड हार्ड वर्क. And without hard work, without labor, it is not easy to get success. So you will have to labor hard. After that, you can imagine how much you have act and to get it, how much sacrifice, how much you have sacrificed how to get it. It is very very important. So through the information of Ruskin bond, you will have to imagine about the animals which you have already tamed, and he is a pet, and the monkey and the pet should be baby. बच्चा से ही हम पेट बनाते हैं, उनको पेट बनाने का कोशिश करते हैं, बिकॉज यह बहुत ही आवश्यक है. सो इट्स सो नेसेसरी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी, to understand the thought of Ruskin Bond and how he was a kind-hearted man. We have to concentrate and we have to know. So I will discuss in next class. Grandmother always first when grandfather brought home some new birds or animals to next page, page number 8 because it's very important for you and have to read it. And one important information I want to give you, and I want to know if you have discussed, if you have explained question answer of first lesson, the lost child, then you can send that question answer of school workshops channel or apps. After that I will understand you are doing and you are analyzing the question answer and you are so serious. If you are not doing that, that means a lot of doubt will create in our brain, and we have no any idea about it, because chapter after chapter, lesson after lesson, I am finishing, and the work, if work will be in pending, then it is fixed, problem will be raised. So again and again I am telling you, you have to explain the question answer, because it will help you more and more in English literature. Okay, thanks.